Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn karate alone. Begin by mastering fundamental stances and blocks. Focus on your posture and balance, ensuring each movement is precise. There are many excellent online tutorials and videos that can guide you through the initial steps. Dedicate at least 15 to 20 minutes daily to these foundational exercises to build muscle memory and confidence. Once you're comfortable with stances and blocks, move on to basic punches and kicks. Remember to keep your core engaged and your body aligned to maximize power and prevent injury. Shadow boxing is a fantastic way to refine your technique and increase your speed without a partner. Try combining 2 or 3 movements into a short sequence, repeating it until it feels natural and powerful. Now let's talk about katas. These prearranged sequences are crucial for integrating all your learned techniques into a cohesive flow. They also help develop your focus and memory. Consistent, disciplined practice is key to improvement. If you have access to a heavy bag or focus mitts, even a simple one, it can greatly enhance your power and timing. Always prioritize safety and proper form. Consistency is paramount when learning karate alone. Aim for a regular training schedule, even if it's just a short session each day. Recording yourself can be incredibly helpful. Watching playback allows you to spot mistakes and refine your form more effectively. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keep pushing yourself, stay motivated, and enjoy the journey of mastering karate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.